Hello, in this video I want to show you the implementation for this story when admin switches the engine to DevWorkspace. All just server-based workspaces should be stopped. So I have the Eclipse chair running on my CRC instance. So we can see that DevWorkspace currently is disabled, and I have a Go workspace running on this instance. And now let me change the property and enable the DevWorkspace and save the instance. So we'll need to wait a little bit until the redeployment is going to happen, and the expectation is basically that the workspace is going to be stopped. So currently we see that if we go to the database pod, we can see that in the chair workspace activity table, the workspace was starting and then it became running. So currently I think it's still running. We can, run some terminal commands here, like build or install dependencies. It's going to run, and in the meantime the redeployment is happening and the dev workspace, so we see that SharePod is restarting, and actually we can see that in our pod for workspace is currently running, right? So once the chair is restarted, we'll see that the pod is going to be stopped gracefully, so we will not be able to use it anymore. And the workspace is going to be stopped. So it's currently can't connect to WebSocket because it's like reloaded. And the pod is going to be gracefully terminated in the developer chair namespace. So you see pod's gone, so we have no resources anymore in the developer chair namespace, no pods, no deployments, no deployment configs. If we go to database and run the workspace activity, you'll see that the workspace is stopped. So previously it had the running state after redeployment, and on the custom resource level, we can see that Dev Workspace is now disabled. That's it. Thanks you for watching.